Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Ray and welcome to Ray's Budget. In today's video, guys, we are going to be stuffing my low priority sinking funds using some of my cute little prop coins that I have here. And we are going to be using a D4 die since we're not working with that much money. But I think what we have here is $24. We're going to go ahead and count it and put it into my bank. Then we're going to be working with this prop money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. $24. So let's go ahead and open up my binder. And while I am putting the money in and getting ready to stuff these envelopes, if you have not seen my Stuff and Save Sunday video, make sure you check it out, because in that video, guys, I did a shop drop for my July launch, and I have some new savings challenge at budgetworksbyray.com, so make sure you guys check it out. But with that said, we're going to go ahead and pull out my prop coins, and there is $24 here altogether that we are going to be distributing between, I think, how many is this? 5 sinking funds. So, and I ended with number 5, if I'm not mistaken, last week. So we are going to start from the beginning and we're going to get to rolling. So here we go. Guys, let me know down in the comments how your week is going. Mine is going pretty good. It's always busy, as you guys know, but what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Okay. And we're going to start all over again. Self-care gets 2. Me, myself, and I gets 2. General fund gets 3. And some of these envelopes have carryover from last week that I need to redistribute. Pantry stock up is getting 1. Then lastly, we have investing. That is going to get 3. Let's start all over again. We're almost done. And then let's see. We only got 4 left. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to give number 5 the last one. So what we're going to do now is go through each one. I'm going to move this off to the side. And we are going to go through each one and see how much we need to stuff it with. So for self-care, we are doing a challenge by 5 Bears printables. I made each of these circles $1 a piece. Today it received 1, 2, 3, 4, $5.25. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have 25 cents left over. And I don't have a 25 cent prop coin, but I will look for one in a minute. So we are done with this one. What I'm going to do, how do I want to do this? We're going to set this off to the side because we need to pull the money from the bank. And I don't have the savings challenges with me right now that I'm going to replace this with, but I will have them next week. And let's go ahead and go to the next one. I just need to remember that I need to pull out 25 cents for self-care. I'm done with self-care already. That is awesome. So for the next one, me, myself, and I, this one had 25 cents. And this is Strawberry Boba. This was created by, I didn't write the name down, But for this one, I only needed 2, 4, 5 more dollars. So let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we got another one done, y'all. So let me color these in. And I think what I'm going to do, I need to get some change here. No, I'm not going to be able to do it yet. Do I have a 25 here? Yes, I do. Good. So I'm going to take this 25 and put it in self-care. And then this one, we're finished with that one. Me, myself, and I still has $1 left over to go into the next challenge I need to put in here. Next, we have General Fund. General Fund has 25 cents. Now, this one, I made each of these floaties $1 a piece. We only needed $1 more for this one, guys. So, let's go ahead and do this $1. Set that right there. Let's go ahead and mark this out. It's another one we get to pull the funds for. And I did not write, let me write General Fund on the back of this. Give me 1 second, y'all. General Fund. Funds with an S. Okay, set that there. And then I'm going to need this prop money, so no, I'm not. This is just going to sit in here for now. And I may use it to help out some of these other ones that I may not hit the goal for. But we'll see. Next, we have Pantry Stock Up. With Pantry Stock Up, this one has some money in it from last week as well, 25 cents. This is a $9 challenge that was created by Paper Yum Company. We need $2, $4, $6, $7. Do we have it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So we're going to do 4, 2, and 4. And actually, I just need $3 more. So what I'm going to do to finish this one, I need $3 more. So I'm going to pull some money out of the general fund that was finished. I'm going to cheat a little bit. It is what it is. 1, 2, and 3. Put that back in there. Let's mark this one off. Pantry Stock Up gets $9. We're going to set that off right there. We're going to set that there. Next we have, let's see, Investing. Investing had some money in it as well. 25 cents. So that's, you know what, let me pull out the challenge, Raquel. This one, I made each of these $1 a piece. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more cherries. Let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 55. Let me count that one more time. 75 and 75 is 150. This 50 makes 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go on up here to Me, Myself, and I. Do I want to take it out of Me, Myself, and I? No, I don't. Let's take it out of General Fund. I just need another $1. There we go. And we are done with this one as well. Does it have Investing on the back? Yes, it does. And then that is it, guys. So what we're going to do is put this money off to the side. Let me get some paper clips real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I have my mini savings challenge pouch that I put my completed minis in. And what we are going to do is pull out some of these funds so that we can go ahead and cash in these savings challenges. So the very first one is for investing. We need $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these will be reallocated at the beginning of the month. Next, we have pantry stock up. This is $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, we have this one. General funds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have strawberry boba. This is for self-care. This is $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look like I've used up all the money. Not used it up, but I better have $8 here. And then lastly, we have this one, which is for $8. Who was this one for? Oh my goodness, I forget. Was it? I think it was self-care. Let me make sure. No, it was not self-care. It was me, myself, and I. Yep. Let me write that on there. There we go. And hopefully this is $8, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's put this on here. Go ahead and get it paper clipped. I'm going to put the rest of this money in the bank. And next week there will be new challenges in here. I'm excited because I didn't know using the prop coins that I was going to be able to save up so fast. That is awesome. So let's put this $2 back into the bank. And then let's go ahead and put these challenges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. Let's go ahead and put them into my completed mini savings challenge pouch. And they will be reallocated at the beginning of next month. But guys, that was fun. And that is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment below. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button before you leave because we would love to have you here. Guys, make sure you check out my July shop drop at BudgetWorksByRae.com. But until next time, be blessed, stay well, and do great things. Bye, guys.